Hi, my name is Hannah Stevens. I am from Overland Park, Kansas, and here at Baker University I'm studying secondary education with an emphasis in history. I would really love to teach middle school. I just love the age level and the content that they study. I have a couple pictures on the screen. So the first picture on the right is of my mom, me, and my dad. We are at a Royals game since sports are a huge deal in my family, especially baseball. Every single person in my family plays and we all just love it. The second picture from the right is me and my sister. She just graduated from KU, so we were on our way to our last basketball game in that picture. She's actually moving to Boston in 2 days. I'm super happy for her and proud of her, but I am going to miss her a lot because she is definitely my best friend. Next to that are my two dogs. On the top is Stanley and on the bottom is Brooklyn. Next to that are a picture of me and some of my Tri Delta sisters. I am actually the philanthropy chair of Tri Delta, so I plan all of the philanthropy events, and that's why I chose to include a picture of the St. Jude logo because it means so much to me. I would like to learn from this class just fun ways to use technology in the classroom. I didn't even know that this system that I'm using now was a thing before today, and I really, really like it. So just finding little tips and tricks for introducing technology into the classroom is something that I'm really passionate about and I'm looking forward to learning more about throughout the semester. Bye!